Brian Peter to come and welcome us.
Thank you, Joseph. I'm Brian. I'm one of the pastors here at the Ascent Church, and on behalf of our elders and our staff, and honestly our entire church, I want to welcome you, and we're so honored to have you all here. I agree with Bill. I was thinking about Revelation chapter 4 and 5 and 7, and thinking about that one day when every tribe, tongue, and every ethne from around the world will gather around a throne. And this is a picture of heaven on earth here this evening. So on behalf of the Ascent Church's leadership, welcome to the Ascent Church tonight as we celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Welcome.
Thank you for having us, Pastor Brian. And for our first performance this evening, I'd like to invite the PEPC Denver Fellowship to come up and give us a medley in Tamil and Telugu. These are two of the South Indian languages, Tamil and Telugu. Please come on up and give us this wonderful song.
We would need to remind ourselves of the God's faithfulness in our lives and the hope He gave us from His death and resurrection. So He has conquered the humanity's greatest enemy, which is death, right? So no matter what the circumstances we are in, we have hope, and that hope is given by the Lord Ebenezer, right? So leading the Israelites through the wilderness and giving them hope. We want to lift up that name now by singing a song called Ebenezer. We're going to sing this song in Telugu, Tamil, and a little bit of Hindi. Please join us. Thank you.
We तूने संभाला ये